All right, let's talk about this bond that they want, surety bonds. And what surety bonds are basically is they're bonds that basically act like an insurance. So, when you got to file a claim, like on your house, or if you get into a car accident, you file a claim. It works the same exact way if you're getting sued by somebody. So basically, what I suggest with these is shop online. And by the way, the company I'm about to mention right now, we work with them, and we don't get paid by them, and I'm not affiliate of them or anything. They just came with a good rate, and I'm going to share you guys the rate so you can kind of see what it looks like. Okay, Surety One, you're probably one of your first companies you're going to bring up if you bring this sort of information to Google. But this is what they said. They said, "Hey Dave, bond request for 100K, 2,625." But they're going to do it for 2-year term. So that's how they break it down. They want 2,600 up front. And then you get 2 years with the $100,000 claim ability over the next 2 years. So hopefully that helps. And again, this is just one of many companies out there, but that should give you an idea of what something like this costs, hopefully.